Hi there, I'm Cecilia De Freitas of RE/MAX Premier Prestige Properties, and I'm thrilled to introduce this spectacular world-class estate located on one of the most desired streets in Weston Downs. This home has been totally rebuilt from the inside out, blending luxurious contemporary finishes with classic architectural styling. It's even outfitted with the absolute best in modern smart house technology and conveniences. You will agree that this distinctively designed and superbly crafted masterpiece is second to none. There is no question you will want to make 157 Flatbush Avenue your home. The house radiates from the elegant central foyer. They say the kitchen is the soul of the home, a dream come true for the serious cook. You will note the masterful use of porcelain custom railings and handcrafted millwork throughout. Enjoy the comfort of a cool, shady cabana between dips in the saltwater pool. The outdoor lighting makes a dramatic spectacle of the garden by night. I'm sure you have thoroughly enjoyed watching this spectacular home with the wow factor, and if you should have any more questions or wish to arrange for a private and confidential viewing, you can contact me at CeciliaDeFreitas.com or just ring me at 905-605-8887.